Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to part 2 on how to unblock your heart chakra. And we're going to do this with EFT tapping. As you can see, I'm surrounded by the color of the heart chakra, which is green. I'm in the beautiful Indonesian island of Flores, and I thought that this would be the perfect time to do this tapping because we're surrounded by this really calming and serene energy. So it makes it easier to tap into gratitude, joy, and happiness. So if you would like to tap along with us, and I highly suggest that you do, get yourself ready and let's get started. Let's start on the side of the hand. My hair is going to be everywhere for this one. My heart chakra feels heavy. It feels blocked. I feel resentment towards others. I feel resentment towards myself. I'm struggling to release this feeling. But it's okay. I'm still a good person. And I'm learning to love and accept myself. All right, that was a really nice, short and sweet on the side of the hand. Now let's move through the tapping points. I can't seem to feel happy for others. I have no compassion for them. I have no compassion for myself. And I know that's because my heart chakra is blocked. Because I'm a good person. I should be happy when other people are happy, right? But I just cannot feel that right now. And honestly, I'm judging this part of me. I feel like I'm a bad person for not feeling grateful about my life. And for not being happy for other people's successes. So yeah, I feel there's a lot of negative emotions stuck in my heart chakra. There's definitely a lot of resentment and anger in my body. I'm honoring all of these feelings. I forgive myself for being so hard on me. And today I'm learning to love all parts of me. Even the part that feels jealousy, resentment, and anger. That part of me deserves love and compassion too. If other people have what I want, it doesn't mean they're better than me. It doesn't mean I'm a failure. It means I can have it too. So jealousy is just feedback. I don't have to judge myself for being jealous. I just have to remind myself that I'm actually living a pretty good life. There is so much to be grateful for in my life. And I choose to tap into that feeling of gratitude. And now I'd like for you to actually think about 2 things that you are grateful for in your life right now. And so let's tap and say that out loud. I'm so grateful for. What are you grateful for? I'm so incredibly grateful for. And maybe it's time to put myself first. Maybe it's okay for me to love myself first. Because maybe all of this resentment I feel towards others is because I'm neglecting my own needs. This jealousy I feel towards others is because I'm not prioritizing my own dreams. I'm so busy focusing on what other people are doing. I forget that I'm actually so talented, lovable, and magical. Yeah, I am magical. I know I am. So why do I put everyone else first? That is all about to change today. I'm learning to love myself today. I'm learning to fill my own cup. How can I be happy for others if I'm not happy for myself? So today I'm choosing to be happy for myself. I'm choosing to focus on all the things that are going right for me. I'm learning to fill my own cup with love, compassion, and gratitude. I'm opening myself up to all the love that is out there. I'm ready to receive love from all sources. And I know when I feel love and project love, I will get that love back tenfold. And that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed that. Oh my God, the wind was so strong throughout that tapping. I felt the energy so strongly. And this is kind of the view that we were working with. It's just green and bright blue skies everywhere. The wind is picking up again. Thank you so much for watching. Follow for more EFT tapping and manifestation tips. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.